Hey, Tim here. Dang, I guess that trip to Georgia to talk to my daughter worked out pretty good. She hadn't been out here for 4 months since her mama was buried, and she ended up coming out here yesterday, which brought everything up again. That's why I told her not to wait too much longer. I let her grieve for that 4 months, but it's got me kind of hashed everything back up. And after she left, it really broke me up a little bit. I actually cooked a big meal and sat there on the couch and watched the Idiot Box, the dang television, and just kind of moped in and out of it. And last night, thoughts on my head all night, and damn, I freaking got up this morning, and like half pack cigarettes later and a couple cups of coffee, started pulling my head out of my butt and did some chores and things. But I don't know, like I say, I need to keep working on things. I bought this, or had this built for my wife. She didn't believe it. I bought it for her. Even though I had a bow on it and a card that said Lisa on it. I miss her, but damn, we used to camp and fish and all kinds of stuff. But anyways, I ain't even shot this thing but once. It works though. Got my shoulder straps melting there. Anyhow, she couldn't believe I bought it for her, or had it built for her. But anyways, like I say, whew, that's awesome. These here though are my real venters. Mm-hmm. But I had my daughter out here a few weeks ago, and I had a couple of them jam up on me. She said, "When was the last time you cleaned them?" So I've been cleaning the hell out of them now. That took my mind off things. I feel a little better. I don't know, Bo. Like, share, subscribe. This helps you out. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and so I didn't mind killing that tree. I think I'm gonna fire up that saw today and like trim around some of these bigger trees so they can bush out more. And I'll probably go down a little cemetery. I've been going down there once a week and working on it a little bit, about less and less every week. But I think I'm gonna clear out a spot behind it, and she like willow trees. I think I'm gonna get a big willow tree going out there. But anyways, man, get something going, build something, make something. I don't know, shoot something. It's it's nice to get things off your mind once in a while. Yeah, it didn't cure everything. I hope there is a breaking point. Like I say, talking to my daughter and having her over here, and then leaving with her kids and all that, and her husband kind of stirs stuff up again. But it's better, like I told her, it's better than waiting a year and then coming back out here, because I think I'm getting better every day. I don't know. Like I say, good days, bad days. I got that dang ebook down there. Check that out. I mean, it's free. Build you a damn, I don't know, a course or something. The hardest part is thinking about what the hell you want to do in life and what you want to make and build. I mean, get out there and do something. If anybody else is in my spot, stick around, send me comments. I love them comments, boy. I love to answer them things. I like to hear them. I like to read them. Like, share, subscribe. Stick around. I don't know what else to tell you. Just improve every day. If you're going through some stuff like this, man, let me know how you're dealing with it. Action's law, that's for sure. You dang, like last night, I was just tired too. I mean, I've been ragging myself out. Anyways, just get back to me. Let me know. Come back and see me. Check out some of my other videos. There's ways to save money. I was working on getting my mind straight. I guess that's why I started this channel. I mean, I don't know, the good Lord might have been trying to get me to get conditioned for this loss of mine. I don't know if you got ideas for me that I can do things. I'll try to give things for you to do. I don't know. I don't know. Stay sharp. Keep your nose clean. Stay out of debt. And owe no one. That's living, baby.
A farmer threw a dead pig into a dry well. After a short while, 70 or 80 mice jumped into the well to eat it. After finishing the meat, they realized that the walls of the well were so steep that it was impossible to climb out. Within a few days, hunger turned the well into hell. To survive, the mice began killing and eating each other. After half a month, only one mouse remained in the well, its eyes red like blood. Then the farmer lowered a rope, pulled the mouse out, and released it back into the field. Did the farmer's heart melt? Not at all. Because this mouse had become used to eating its own kind, it no longer ate grain. Instead, it started hunting other mice like a mad creature. This is called the divide plan. Those sitting at the top do not fight themselves. They simply create an environment where the people below begin fighting each other and eventually destroy one another. And the truth is, many people spend their entire lives trying to defeat others without realizing that they themselves have already become part of someone else's game. So never fall into traps created by others, and if you do get trapped, don't fight. Find a way to get out.